What's up, the Megan fan Rogan and Bob and the Mingers Group? So um, today, we're gonna do behavior carded with my stuffed animal. So let's get started, guys. I got balloons. Look at that hood. My birthday. Just my sister. My one given to me all the time. Okay, stepping up behaviors coming. Luigi, Mario, Chicken, and Pikachu. And rest of them stay there. I'll show you. Let's get all people. Not at all. Especially little ones. I'll show you. So right now we'll do behavior number 8. So I'm a teacher now. One. Alright, guess behavior number days. Look. And let's get started. So another time when we do seasons, we have a chart day. So it could be like, I was in the post today for this one. So alright, let's. Hello everyone. Welcome back to behavior number day. So oh, you don't have to write that. Just wrote Mario, Luigi, Pikachu. I can say Pokemon. I guess that's my name. I can write this name. Logan Bear. Okay, I can say Logan Bear. Kidney. Chicken. And that's it. Oh, this bear. And bear. Alright guys, behavior number day. So what's kids say? If you got 100% as you got good as you will get $2,000. If you got 90%, how many? Oh wait my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it could be like every 7, but if you got 80% as I will give you like $90. If you got 70, nothing happens. Okay, hold on. So 100%, so 90%. So if you get some 70%, nothing happens. If you got 50%, if you got 50%, you you have to talk to me. If you got 50%, you must spell for 2 days. If you got 30%, pay attention, guys. If you got 30% else, you're grounded for 2 weeks. If you got 20% else, you're grounded for 4 months. If you got 15%, if you get 0 else, you are grounded for 1 billion. You're grounded for 10 years. 9, 1, 1, 1, 4, 2, 3, 4 years. 4 years. You all clear? Alright. Good luck. Pokemon. Hey, Pokemon. You are so nice today. Yes, you are a smart kid. I love you. Okay. You are best Pokemon ever. Good kind, Mario. Mario? Mario? Mario, you did good. Everyone will Sunday. Good job, Mario. You are smart. I'm gonna move on to 72. Not fair. Where's Mario getting? Not fair. Where's Mario get 72? Not me. What? That's not fair. I'm agree at Kenny. Kenny, how dare you talk Mario like that? That's it, Kenny. You all get. I will give you 62. And Bear, how I agree him? That's it. I will get you. You're joining Kidney. What? What? Kidney got joined and a bear. Oh, good try, chicken. You like chicken? I will give you something for. You're a nice student. Mario. Yes, Luigi? You are a great student ever see. Or you are smartest kid ever. You're my brother. Oh, thank you, Luigi. I love you, Luigi. Oh, I love you too. Good kind, Mario, Luigi. Mario, I will give you 84. And Luigi, I will give you 74. Either. I will give you 74. You did a good job. Alright. Is there any have quit? Alright guys. What would you answer math questions? What's 4 plus 2? You know? I know. What is it? Is this it? Yes. Good job, chicken. Chicken, you got correct. I'm gonna get extra 10 points. You got a 4. Not fair. Has chicken nugget incorrect? Answer's 8. Bear, you're similar to him. That's it, Bear. Bear, I'm gonna move you out 40. Ha. Bear, you dummy. And you be quiet, Bear. Kenny, that's not nice. Kenny, I'm gonna change you. I'm gonna give you a 49. Good try. Alright. Is it either questions? Oh, I know. Miss Logan, you're the best teacher ever. You're the smartest teacher. Oh, that's nice, Pokemon. Pikachu, I'm gonna give you a 90 for you. Enjoy your 90. Alright guys, the school didn't miss. Go back. We're starting Mario. Pokemon. Pokemon, you got 90. You got Mario. I was Pikachu. Mario, you got a 84. So, look at that. Mario got, yeah, I will see. Mario, you got 84. You can still see. Mario, you got 84. You're in test. I said you got 84 behavior chart J. So go to principal office to get reward. Okay, it was nice. Who's next? Chicken. Alright, chicken. Chicken, you got 84. So, you got 84. Go to principal office, get award, and give candy for you. And a Mario. Good job. Oh, what Luigi, you got 74. So that means you're taking 5 weeks off. So go to principal office. What's next? Always a time. We'll give it. You got Saturday. So nothing happened. Go to the principal office and get I'll go back to seat. Okay. We'll go back to that. Kenny, come back here. Kenny, how I get 49? That's it. You're grounded for 2 weeks. Hey, Bear. How did you get 40? That's it. You grounded for 4 years. Go to the Okay, guys, we're in this video. So, if you like, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. I see you in this video. Bye. What's up, the mega fan? Logan and by the baby makers come. So today, today we're gonna do another number chart day. So could be my kids, bigger people, like I'm gonna give it 10 people for guys. 10. So I only got 7. I need 3 more, so it could be Oliver's name. Squishmallows. Actually, Squishmallows. This one's not real. Yoda and Creeper. That's your behavior chart day. Alright guys, I had to learn a name. So good luck. Creeper. Queen Creeper. Yoda. Logan. Logan. Bear. Kenny. Kidney. Easy. Chicken. Chicken jockey. Chicken Mario Pokemon. Alright guys. So listen guys. So if you got 100%, you graduate forever. If you got 90%, you take like 4 months off. If you get 90, if you take 10 years off. If you got 80, you got 7 years off. If you got 70, that will happen. If you got 60, you're grounded for 1 day. If you got 50, you're grounded for 4 weeks. If you got 40, you're grounded for 6 months. If you got 30, if you got 30, if you got 30, you're grounded for 2 years. If you got 20, you're grounded for 12 years. If you got 10, you're grounded for 16 years. If you got 0, if you got 0 else, you're grounded for 88 years. I had a question for you. I will give you a present for you. Oh, Luigi, I love you. You're the best. Good job, Luigi. Luigi, I will give you $80. Everybody got something for now, especially Luigi got 80. Because he behaved at school. So for now, we were something. That was dark. Alright. Alright, guys. Everybody answer the question. What's 2 times 2? You, Quiver? 4. 4. Oh, Squishmallows. I could say, I could put it as. That's what Squishmallow would want. You say 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 6, 4, 4, 4. Everybody got correct except Kenny. You got wrong. Kenny, I will give you. Kenny, I will give you 60. Especially me get 80. For Kleba got 80. Yoda got 80. Logan got 80. For not my name, Bear. Bear got 80. Squishmallows got 80. Kenny got 60. Luigi got 90. Chicken got 80. Mario got 80. Pokemon got 80. You did a good job with the rest of them. You'll be hyper class. Ever. Alright. Alright, guys, we had to listen. Okay. Hey. Hey. Hey, Rogan. I have something to tell you something. You're ugly. Kenny! How dare you call me ugly? There's something wrong. Bear? Kenny? Actually, not you, Bear. Kenny, I will give you 40. That means you're gone for like 2 days. No. I don't know, like 2 weeks. I don't know. Oh, I know, Logan. I know. Logan, you're the best teacher ever. I'm a green Mario. Good job, Pokemon Mario. I'm a green Pokemon. Good job, Chicken. Alright, Chicken, Pokemon, and Mario. Chicken, banana, chicken, Pokemon, I will give you 90. If you got 100, it's gonna be ugly. Mario, you got Mario, you got 90. Pokemon, Chicken, you got 90. You'll behave for classes all the time. That's my season for YouTube. So season was another time today or tomorrow, or I don't know yet. So I had to find out. I don't know season 2, but it's not gonna take like 3 weeks. Something, I don't know. Yeah. Hey, Creeper. Hey, Creeper. Miss Logan, are you smart? Yes. Creeper, that's nice. I would give you 90. What? No, wait. Has everybody good except me? Kitty? That's real to every. I'm agree. Kenny. Bear and Kenny. How dare you agree? Kenny, I will give Wolf a 20. Bear, how dare you? I will move on 60. Poor good job, good Bear. Alright, guys. Yoda. What's 4 plus 2? I think it actually 6. Cool. Good job, Yoda. Yoda, you got 90. Look at sound. Look. Aw, so cute. what's cute? It's me, Mario. Hey, Logan. I'm better than you, and you are the best teacher ever. And you're smart, and you did a good job to me. Mario, good job, Mario. Mario, right now you got 100. So, alright guys, the class is almost over. Get a cut. Sorry, Mario. Mario, you got 100. You got 100. That's a piece of Let's go back. Alright. Good job. Okay, I'll raise 100%. Nobody got 100. Especially. Okay, 90 guys. Ness, Yoda, Pokemon. Sorry, Pokemon. Luigi. And Quiver. How many 90 are? Four. Luigi, Yoda, Pokemon, Quiver. Yoda, Luigi, Quiver, and Pokemon. All four of you got 90, so you take away 1 year off. Go to principal office, you got 1 year off. Luigi's so cute. His eyes are blue. It's bigger than these two. Come on. Favorite got 80. I have to go off road. Alright. Oh, Pokemon. You're this smart. So, you only 90 a race. A race in 90. 90. That's. Oh, VG. Alright, next is 80. 80 is could be like Chicken, Logan, and Squishmallows. No. Bug, Wes. Everybody get good grades, especially be Kenny. Kid is real mean. Wait, what's missing? Chicken, Logan, and Squishmallow. You got 80, go to principal office, you got reward for 2 years. I'm gonna see you reward. You take a 2 years off. We're not gonna chicken. You're smart. Give me 1 second, Sammy. Oh. Give me 1 sec, guys. Oh! Nobody got 30, 20, and 40. 20, 60. Alright. Bear, you got 60. No, everyone, go.
What are you doing there?
Nothing. Can I go? Go.
The
No.
kisses go to school. What? See?
Okay. Bear, I'm sorry you got 60. No, oh, that's Kenny. I just spell. Bear, I'm sorry you got 60, We'll have to small talk at the class. You're not in trouble. You gotta talk across for two minutes. Bear. Kenny. I'll say no, you're not your bear. Bear. How dare you get that? Oh, you got 20. That's it. You're grounded for 10 years. Go to the principal office, you get punishment. First punishment, hit you. It's gay. Alright. I'll put it right here. And alright. End this video. So we're done for this. So if you like, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. I send this to you. Bye.